Those familiar with the challenges outlined in the Risk of Endpoints course may have concluded that some of the issues described are addressed through typical business practices when providing managed and secured endpoints to their employees. For example, a company may provide laptops that have a local AV installed and configured. OS patches are set to forced update, and users are not given permissions to change any of these settings or install any additional software. The irony is, these very same problems we faced years ago when creating mainstream company-owned device policies is once again becoming relevant due to the increasing prevalence of allowing BYOD endpoints into the workplace. BYOD stands for Bring Your Own Device, and these employee-owned devices are also introducing some unique challenges for cybersecurity teams. Monitoring tools and account restrictions are a simple matter for company-owned devices, but the same cannot be said for a device owned by an employee. BYOD owners will always be the administrators for those devices and will install any software they wish. But if BYOD endpoints pose such a security risk, why are more and more companies allowing them? There are multiple reasons for this. First, many organizations have decentralized their assets into cloud services, which can be accessed from anywhere by any device, and the convenience of users being able to work on resources from their home workstation is a compelling argument. Second, the massive movement to adapt many of these cloud-based services to mobile format. In 2021, the Pew Research Center conducted a survey showing that around 85% of adults in the US own a smartphone. At the time of writing, with Google's Android and Apple's iOS holding a combined 99% of the global market share for mobile operating systems, cloud services have created many mobile applications that tie into business operations. And third, and probably the biggest reason, are reports across multiple studies that indicate companies benefit from the additional work hours employees put in when allowed to use their own devices from home. By some accounts, averaging an additional 240 hours per employee each year. The financial benefits that come with allowing BYOD is difficult to dispute, and the trend doesn't look like it will be changing anytime soon. The security tools and methods we use need to adapt with this changing landscape. That said, it's difficult to have security without visibility. To secure our assets from devices out of our control that could pose as potential security risks, we need to do so without the invasion of privacy.